they have to come. Okay? They have to.
Hey, so we wanted to show a little kids craft that is easy and cheap using corks and hot glue. This craft is probably good for ages maybe 5 to 10 or older if your older kids are really into that type of thing too. Even some younger children would enjoy helping make them, and maybe older siblings helping them design their own for their own play too. I know my 3-year-old had fun helping his siblings make some of those for himself too. Definitely remember to keep your little ones away from the hot glue gun. This is a craft that does need to be supervised, and making sure, even though they may know to unplug the glue gun, making sure that does happen. Yes, I think it's something that's really fun and doable. If you have any ideas about what other sort of related crafts we could do for this, that would be fun if you could share those in the comments. So here's a little example of some of the cork people that Rivka's got. So we got googly eyes. This one we had the googly eyes with the eyelashes and a bow. We've got some interesting hairstyle things going on here. What's this one? Oh. I think the eyes came off. We did use lentils as eyes, but they kind of got cooked with the hot glue and then they fell off. This is like a little cap hat. Now we're going to get a little selection of Hadara's that she's got here. Here, put them like that so we can see them. Oh, cute. We had these little florets and bows. There's an example of the lentils. That one stayed on.
Yeah.
Lots of different fabric scraps.
Mama! I think there's more. There's more. There's more. Stayed on. You can stay on.
Yep.
Mama, I don't.
And then these are twins.
Because mine are.
Actually, they're triplets, aren't they?
What?
Actually, they're triplets.
What?
Because triplets means 3 babies that are born together. And we've got some other little wool fabric scraps. This is a little sleeping bag with a pillow.
I'm gonna drop it, or I'm gonna keep it.
And some more little hammock. Okay.
And a bridge.
A little bridge. So here's Levi's doing some gluing and making, oh, looks like a shield.
It is a shield.
We've got a couple glue guns. They really prefer the small size glue gun, but we ran out of glue sticks for it. We like to use a metal tray, and we also have a metal table. It's one of those enamel tables, and the sides pull out too for more room. And here's some of the supplies. Actually, this is kind of nice because if you have a metal thing like this, then you can press stuff on the glue, the hot glue, without burning your finger. And what is that?
Somebody made that.
Yeah, so that's about it. It's pretty simple setup. We got a mixture.
Oh, it's really good. I mean, kind
This
of.
one's got a little sword and shield and cloak.